Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. It is time for another set of Christmas nails. The set I'm going to be putting on today has a lot of different designs. I think there could be a different design for every finger. I am so excited to put this set of nails on. I think they are really cute. Let me show you the set that I am going to be putting on today. This set has a really cute Rudolph and a gingerbread man with a Santa hat. There are also two designs that look like different peppermint candies and a white sweater design along with some solid red. If you are interested in checking out this set of nails, I will put a link in the description. Also, if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have my natural nails all prepped and my press-on nails all laid out. I'm going to be using my favorite Kiss PowerFlex Maximum Speed nail glue to put the nails on today. So I have everything I need. Let's get these nails on. Here is the finished product. I think they turned out really cute. I really like the different variety this set of nails offers. I have to say, I think Rudolph is my favorite and the sweater design is a close second. I would recommend this set of nails if you are looking for a cute set of holiday nails with a great variety of designs. I will put a link in the description if you are interested in checking out these nails, and if you are not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching. Bye!